guys, my name is Harjin Agi. I'm from India and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how to transfer ECG sensor value data to your mobile devices using HC05 Bluetooth module. In this project, the microcontroller which I'm using is Arduino Nano, and to transfer the ECG heart rate monitor sensor data, I'm using a Bluetooth HC05 Bluetooth module, and it helps to connect it with the Arduino and the Android devices. As a power source, I'm using a power bank, some mil-to-mil jumper wires. To avoid the soldering connections, I'm using breadboard. So this is the AD8232 heart rate monitor sensor, and it's a neat little chip. So it's used to measure the electrical activity of the heart, and can be charted as an ECG or electrocardiogram. So, and these are the electropads. These are the electropads. The pads are more closer to the heart, the better the measurement, and the cables are the color coded to help identify proper placement as shown in the Einthoven's triangle. These are the position of the electropads. The yellow pad is placed on the right part of the chest, the green pad is placed on the left part of the chest, and the red one is placed below the right part of the chest. The connection is ready. Now it's time to place the electrodes. In this tutorials, I'm placing electrodes on my arms. So the red one will be placed here. The yellow one will place here. And the green one will placed here. Remember, the position of electrodes should be exactly same to measure the current values. Now we will connect the lead with the ECG device. Now the setup is ready. Now it's time to upload the code. After uploading the code, I have to connect it with the power source. As a power source, I'm using a power bank. So just simply connect it with the power bank. After connection, now go to the sensor Bluetooth app, search the device, select the Bluetooth module, connect. After the connections, it will simply give the ECG values on your Android device. So please like, subscribe my channel and support my channel. Thank you.